Common noun. A common noun is the name given to any person's, place, animal or thing. Look at the following common nouns. Girl. This is a common noun as girl can be any girl without being specific name. Dog. This is a common noun as dog can be any dog without specific name. City. This is a common noun as city can be any city without being specific name. Computer. This is a common noun as computer can be any computer without being specific name. Father. This is a common noun as father can be any father without being specific name. We have learnt about people who serve us. Do you know these are common nouns? A doctor cures the sick people. A carpenter does the woodwork. A barber cuts the hair. A postman delivers our letters. A painter paints the buildings. A plumber does sanitary work. A teacher teaches us. A photographer takes photographs. A driver drives the vehicles. A cobbler mends the shoes. A sweeper sweeps the floor. A cook prepares meals. A mason constructs the buildings. An advocate defends our legal rights. A policeman catches thieves and robbers. We know about birds. Do you know these are common nouns? Pigeon, peacock, parrot, eagle, cuckoo. We know about these animals. Do you know these are common nouns? Dog, cat, horse, elephant, camel. Several common nouns have opposite words like rich. The opposite word is poor. Beggar, donor, coward, brave. Friend, enemy, hero, villain.